Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these light filtering roller shades for windows. These are cordless and these are really nice, made of fabric. In this case, I got this one sent out for review. It is in a nice like brown color, and it is really easy to install. It looks like it is waterproof from the back part, and it is very soft to the touch. Okay, so this is what it includes, the instructions and the tools that you need to install it, and of course the shades. Now let's just install it. We are putting it on this window, and we will be installing this kind of clip on this part of the window. Let's just make our base with the screws and now install these so it is really tight so it doesn't move at all. Now in this part of the window there's like a 2x4 wood frame that will make that your screws will be stronger. Now that we installed the first one, let's just install the second one. And now there is a part that will hook to the shades. So you have to make sure that you put it where you want it. Now you push it and then you make sure that it is properly installed. Everything is in the manual, so just make sure that you follow the instructions. And now you can pull the shades down like so to close these, and also you can pull it up. So it is cordless, you don't need any cord, but there is this clip that it's included that you will be using to pull it up or down easier, and you don't get your shades dirty with your hands or any dust. Okay, and this is how it looks. I'm really glad that we got sent out this one for review. It looks really good, and it doesn't and it is, and they are insulated solar shades. You can use them for your bedroom. In this case, we use them for our kitchen.